5 years since yes, which means you will have
Double introductory.
Please concentrate on driving.
Oh,
Attention
yeah.
to safety.
See, and also
It's a very
equipped with a lot
safety-oriented
of
car.
safety features as well. Thanks to our friends at Senok. Again, we got Revan and Nalaka in the back with us. Big thank you to them as well. And also Tehran, of course, and Samali and the rest of the team for allowing us to test drive this amazing pickup. Could I call it a pickup or
I
an
don't
SUV?
know, it's a pickup or an SUV. It can be both, right? I mean, it's a very interesting proposition, you know. I mean,